So next question is integration ex raised to x 2 plus log x. Nothing new, कुछ नया नहीं है, हमने ये एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया है. See what to do. I is equal to, can I write like this? हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको x raised to x into 2 plus log x dx. Now remember, we did this type of question, right? And the question number, wait a minute, I'm telling, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कौन सा क्वेश्चन था कि हमने ऐसा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, राइट? लैपटॉप में ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. तो आप ये बहुत ही इजीली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आपको कंसेप्ट ही याद होना चाहिए, दिख रहा हो, राइट? एंड इफ यू नो द कंसेप्ट यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. ये जब काम होता है तब भी नहीं मिलता है, नहीं तो वैसे सामने आता ही रहता है. जब काम है तो गायब हो जाता है. वो 2 प्लस लॉग एक्स वाला किया ना हमने आगे लेक्चर में, 2 प्लस लॉग एक्स वाला किया था, वैसा ही है. लास्ट में अभी लॉग एक्स इंटू लॉग एक्स प्लस 2 भी किया था, वैसा ही है, राइट? नाउ यू नो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द एक्स रेज टू एक्स, यू हैव ddx ऑफ x रेज टू x. सी कंसेप्ट बताता हूं मैं. x raised to x is x raised to x into 1 plus log x, right? This is your answer, right? So for this ये किया ही है I think so, but मैं भूल गया कब किया है, वो बताऊंगा मैं. अरे कोई जरूरत नहीं है, हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. So this is x raised to x, right? And I am writing this as 1 plus log x because I want 1 plus log x for this derivative, so I am splitting out these two as 1 plus 1 log x, right? This bracket over, now this bracket, and this is dx. पता चला क्यों किया ये? मेरे पास इसका डेरिवेटिव, ये फॉर्मूला है, ये डेरिवेटिव डिफरेंशिएशन में आपने सीखा है और मैंने बोला भी था, याद रखो, ये काम आएगा. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है ddx of x raised to x वेरिएबल इज टू वेरिएबल में, राइट? तो x raised to x 1 plus log x is the answer. Now multiplying x raised to x here, what we get? E raised to x. This is x raised to x plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x dx we get. Now this is your fx and derivative of this is this. That is, this is your f dash x. So what is your answer? Answer is e raised to x into x raised to x plus c. So answer will be e raised to x into x raised to x plus c. That is from given option. Correct answer is nothing given because it's asked for 2 marks. C. Then what you have to do? You have to write fx is equal to this. Therefore f dash x is equal to this. Like, right? This is for 2 marks. Then what you have to do? Let x raised to x. You have to write all steps. X raised to x is equal to t. So derivative of this is x raised to x into 1 plus log x dx is equal to dt. You have to write, right? Then your I will be integration e raised to x, right? Now this is your fx, right? You have to take fx instead of t. Fx, right, is equal to f dash x. So this is fx plus f dash x and dx. And now this is your formula. So answer of this is e raised to x into fx plus c. So this is e raised to x and fx is, what is fx? X raised to x and plus c. So this is your answer. That means for 2 marks you have to show, आपको सब स्टेप लिखना है और वो ऐसे लिख देना है. एमसीक्यू के लिए हम डायरेक्ट लिखते थे, ये 4 स्टेप नहीं लिखते थे तो चलता था, मगर 2 मार्क्स के लिए आपको ऐसे लिखना है, राइट? सो अप्लाई शॉर्टकट मेथड फॉर ओनली एमसीक्यू. आपको एमसीक्यू के लिए ही शॉर्टकट मेथड अप्लाई करना है. एंड फॉर डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइट ऑल स्टेप्स, राइट लाइक दिस. ओके, एज आई शो व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस, राइट? तब मैंने सब कुछ बताया टेक्स्ट बुक का जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, हाउ टू राइट, वैसे ही आपको सब लिखना है. ओके, सो डू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, cot theta plus cot cube theta upon 1 plus cot cube theta d theta, राइट? 2016 में 4 मार्क्स में पूछा गया था. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, राइट? बिकॉज यू हैव टू अप्लाई मेथड ऑफ पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन एंड इन दैट यू हैव अ quadratic root. That's why it's a long question, right? So I need more space, so मैं थोड़ा छोटा handwriting रखूँगा. So sorry, right? So taking cot theta common from numerator, So cot theta is common, 1 plus cot square theta whole upon 1 plus cot cube theta d theta is your answer. Now 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So this is integration cot theta into cosec square theta whole upon 1 plus cot cube theta. Now there is no way for this because we have to factorize this using a cube plus b cube formula. So if we assume cot theta is equal to t, so let cot theta is equal to t, right? Then derivative of this is minus cosec square theta d theta is equal to dt. So we have only cosec square theta, so we get cosec square theta d theta is equal to minus dt, right? That we assume. So substituting this value here, we get I is equal to integration cot theta is t, this is minus dt whole upon 1 plus t cube, right? So taking minus outside of integral sign, this is t upon factor of this is 1 plus t into t square minus t plus 1 dt. This is your answer. So now this is a proper rational function. So proper rational function. So using method of partial fractions, one linear, one quadratic root. So t upon 1 plus t into t square minus t plus 1 is equal to a upon t plus 1 plus quadratic always expressed in a way ax plus t form, but a is already here, जो a ले लिया है तो क्या करेंगे dx plus c लेंगे, but here is t, so we have to write bt plus c whole upon t square minus t plus 1. Now taking LCM, so I am writing here for saving space, this is t is equal to, right, a into t square minus t plus 1 plus t plus 1, so t plus 1 into bt plus c, right? This is our LCM. Now taking value, first t is equal to minus 1, so I am taking t is equal to minus 1. I want space, so I am utilize this space also, right? So taking t is equal to minus 1, so t is equal to minus 1, this implies minus 1, right? So minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 whole square is plus 1 and minus minus plus, so what we get, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, so we get 3. Therefore value of a, because if we substitute t equal to minus 1, that is this is 0, so value of a is minus 1 upon 3. We get value of a as minus 1 upon 3, right? Now for find out the value of b and c, भी find करना है, but there is no linear factor, so taking random value, so taking first t is equal to 0 as random value, so t equal to 0, this implies 0 is equal to a. Now this is 0 0 though, then this is 1, so a, right, t is 0, so this is 1, and plus t is 0 and this c, so a plus c, that is c is equal to minus a, that is c is equal to 1 upon 3. So what we get, c is equal to 1 upon 3, right? So now random value, taking t is equal to 1, so t is equal to 1, this implies 1 is equal to a, 1 minus 1 0 plus 1, that is 1, so that is a plus 2 and b plus c, because value of p is 1. Now we have to find out value of b, so substituting value of a, 1 is equal to a is minus 1 upon 3 plus 2b and plus 2c, that is c is 1 upon 3, so answer is 1 upon 3. So taking these all to right left hand side, that is twice b is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2 by 3, taking 3 LCM, we get 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2, right? That is twice b is equal to, this is 2 by 3. So we get b is equal to 1 upon 3. Only this is the task to do, right? And this is क्या बोलते हैं इसको, मजदूरी, right? ये मजदूरी तो करनी ही पड़ेगी while there is a quadratic factor, right? So substituting these all values here, I am writing directly I is equal to integration a upon t plus 1, because this is a, right? But here is minus, that means we have to multiply by minus here, so this is minus, and writing value of this, right? A upon t plus 1. So what is a? A is minus 1 upon 3 upon t plus 1, right? Plus b. B is 1 upon 3 plus c. C is 1 upon 3, right? Whole upon t square minus t plus 1 and bracket over dt, right? Now this is 1 upon 3, so taking 1 upon 3 common, so what we get, multiply by minus, so this is minus minus plus 1 upon 3 integration 1 upon t plus 1, this is minus, so this minus, right? 1 upon 3 taking common, right? So 1 upon 3 common, so remaining will be t plus 1 whole upon t square minus t plus 1 and dt, right? Here also dt, right? Now derivative of the denominator is in numerator. Now here derivative of t square is 2t, so we require 2, so divide and multiply by 2. What we get? 1 upon 3 integration 1 upon t plus 1 dt minus 1 upon 6 integration twice t plus 1 whole upon t square minus t plus 1 dt, right? If we multiply and divide by 2, then we have to write 2 here. Sorry, by mistake I write 1. Now derivative of t square is 2t and minus t's derivative is minus 1, right? So we need here minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3, it's okay, right? So adding and separating 1. So this is t plus 1 dt minus 1 upon 6. This is 2t minus 1 and plus 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right? So this is t square minus t plus 1 dt, right? Right? We require more space. So I is equal to 1 upon 3 integration 1 upon t plus 1 dt, right? Bifurcating this again, we get minus 1 upon 6 integration 2t minus 1 upon t square minus t plus 1 dt, and this is 3 by 6. 3 by 6, that is minus half. So minus half integration 1 upon t square minus t. So last term for this is, as you know, 1 upon 4. So adding 1 upon 4 and separating 1 upon 4 and dt, right? So this is a perfect square of t minus 1 upon 2. If you are able to write directly, then write here t minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. That is the next step answer. So instead of this, you can write t minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, right? So now this is 1 upon 3 integration 1 upon t plus 1 dt minus 1 upon 6 integration 2t minus 1 upon t square minus t plus 1 dt, and this is minus 1 upon 2 integration 1 upon, this is t minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dt, right? No need to explain anything because we discussed earlier. Now derivative denominator is numerator, and this is x square plus a square, that is tan inverse formula. So writing our answer 1 upon 3, this is log mod t plus 1 minus 1 upon 6 log mod t square minus t plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 and 1 upon a is root 3 by 2 tan inverse x is t minus 1 upon 2 upon a is root 3 by 2, right? And plus c, right? Now substituting value of t, what we get? We get 1 upon 3 log t is cot theta t is cot theta, right? So cot theta plus 1 minus 1 upon 6 log, this is cot square theta minus cot theta plus 1 bracket over, sorry, mod over, this 2 will become, so minus 1 upon 3 tan inverse, this is 2 cot theta minus 1 upon root 3 plus c, right? So I think in जो ये सब एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया है, इसमें पहला एग्जांपल होगा वो जो आपको लगा कि ये 4 मार्क्स के लिए सही है, बाकी सब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थे. हाँ, सो डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस एग्जांपल, राइट? नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस in textbook, old textbook, there is a tan theta, so use tan theta plus tan cube theta. So this is your do it yourself from home, right? Do it yourself, that is integral tan theta plus tan cube theta whole upon 1 plus tan cube theta d theta. So do it yourself, okay? So answer will be same as this, but the assumption here you have to take tan, right, instead of cot, okay? So question number 54, right? जो हमने आगे किया वो एग्जांपल उसकी और में, राइट, ये एग्जांपल था. तो आई सजेस्ट टू सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल इफ यू गॉट ऑप्शन for 2 questions, because cot theta plus cot cube theta upon 1 plus cot cube theta is very long question. Instead of that, this is a very small question, right? Method is same, right? In that we adjust denominator into numerator. Now you have to adjust this function to here, derivative of this, right? So I is equal to integration, this is x minus 12 into root x square plus x plus 3 dx. Now derivative of x square is twice x, so we have to divide and multiply by 2. So multiply divide by 2, so we get twice x minus 24, right, under root x square plus x plus 3 and dx. Now derivative of x square is twice x. Now derivative of x is 1, so we need plus 1, that we have to subtract minus 1 minus, that is minus 25. So this will be become integration 1 upon 2 twice x plus 1 minus 25, right, root x square plus x plus 3, right, and dx. So now multiplying with this and multiplying with this, right? So this is 1 upon 2 integration root x square plus x plus 3, and this is the derivative of root is twice x plus 1 dx minus 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 integration under root x square plus x. So as we did in earlier question, last term will be 1 upon 4, so plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 and subtracting 1 upon 4, so 1 upon 4, right, dx. So same method, same base type of question. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 integration. Now can I write this as a x square plus x plus 3 raised to half, this is fx raised to n, and this is f dash x. So now you understand कौन सी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करनी है, राइट? minus 25 by 2 integration, this is a square of, this is perfect square of x plus 1 upon 2 whole square, right? 4 into 3, 12 minus 1, 11. So this is plus root 11 by 2 whole square dx. So this is the formula x square plus a square formula. This is derivative of this fx and this f dash x. So applying fx into f dash x formula. So 1 upon 2. Answer of this is x square plus x plus 3 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 upon 2 plus 1. I am not writing formula, right? आपको पता है इसलिए formula नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. fx raised to n into f dash x dx. Answer is fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 25 by 2. Root x square plus a square formula, root x square plus a square formula, right? We are solving 4 marks question, right? और रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, रिवीजन में हम जो एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए अभी तक उसका बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो आपको फॉर्मूला तो सब पता है, सो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग. सो x square plus a square, so what is answer? X by 2, that is x plus 1 upon 2 root as it is, that is this, that is x square plus x plus 3, as I told you earlier, right? Plus a square by 2, so plus a square is 11 by 4 upon 2, log more, so log more as it is, x plus as it is, so x is x plus 1 upon 2 and plus as it is, that is this root x square plus x plus 3, so root x square plus x plus 3, right, more over plus c. So simplifying this, what we get? This is 1 plus 2 3, so 1 upon 3 answer, so I will be 1 upon 3, right, x square plus x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2, right, minus 25 by 4, and this is 2 again, right, so 4 2 into 2 4 into 2 8, so minus 25 by 8 into bracket. If you multiply this, what we get? Twice x plus 1, right, so twice x plus 1, no need to put this bracket if you multiply, right, under root x square plus x plus 3, right, and multiply this, what we get? This is minus 25 by 2 and this is 11 by 8, 11 by 8, so 25 into 11, 25 into 11, right, so this is 250, 25 into 10 250 plus 20, so 275, divide by 16, right. Otherwise you want to keep out this 25 by 2 as it is, then leave it as it is, you will get your answer which is given in your PDF, right. So if you don't want to multiply, then put here 25 by 2 as it is, so 25 by 2 as it is, this is twice x plus 1, right, upon 4, this is twice x plus 1 upon 2 into 2 4, so you have to write plus 4, and this is plus 11 by 8. I think this is very easy, right, convenient for you, 11 by 8 and log, right, more, this is twice x plus 1 by 2, right, plus root x square plus x plus 3, right, and plus c, that is your answer. Got it? So ये example solve करना अच्छा रहता है, right, this answer is given. If you want to multiply, then multiply this 275 divided by whatever you get, okay. So do practice for this type of question at home, okay. See you.